Hi my little munchkins, how you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Happy New Year. Welcome to the first video of the year. And today I'm going to show you how to make burritos. It's an extremely cheap, extremely lazy recipe that I eat on a day-to-day basis. So I hope you will like it, and let's get to the video. We'll start making the rice first. So first I have a cup of rice here with me. Any saucepan, small saucepan will do. Add the rice to the saucepan. Next, rinse the rice at least 3 to 4 times. And then drain. Grab the same cup that you used to measure the rice. Add 2 cups of this to the saucepan. Then bring your rice to a boil. And to make the rice extra nice, add some turmeric. Just a dash. Garlic, about 1 teaspoon. And a dash of black pepper. Let that boil up, and then you're gonna simmer for 20 minutes. A few minutes later, the rice will be at a rolling boil. Just turn off the heat, turn on a small flame, and turn it to the lower setting. Now put a lid on it. And set the timer to 20 minutes. For the next step, just rinse out a can of boiled chickpeas. I boiled this myself. If you want to know how to use a pressure cooker, check out the link below. Rinse the chickpeas well. Then transfer it to a frying pan. Then add water until half the chickpeas are covered. Now turn up the heat to about medium-high. Add turmeric. All the spices will be listed down below, so don't worry about it. Chilli powder, smoked paprika, onion, coriander, cumin, and garlic. Every time you add turmeric, don't forget to put black pepper. I almost forgot, a little bit of salt. Now mash it up. Mash about half of the chickpeas, or as much as you like. Now let it simmer until the consistency that you like. Some people like it drier and some people like it wetter. When that's on the rolling ball, just turn down the heat to let it simmer. Maybe medium low. While your stuff is simmering, just chop up any salad veggies that you like. I usually chop them quite small. And that's all the chopping I'm gonna do for this video. How saucy or dry you like this depends on your personal preference. For me, around there I should stop heating it already. At this point I just transfer it into a bowl. And then now I'm gonna rinse out this frying pan. Now that your frying pan is clean and dry. Just heat it up to the max temp. When the pan is kind of hot, just heat up the tortilla one by one for about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, just transfer it to a plate. And keep heating all your tortillas until you're done. If you don't heat your tortillas, your burrito will taste like sand. Now it's time to assemble. First, you will need some kind of vegan mayo. If you are too lazy, just buy the ready-made vegan mayo. If not, I have a recipe. I will leave the link down in the description. Just spread it all over, as much as you like. Put some salad. Rice. Beans. And chili sauce. You must be thinking, why I make the burrito so big? How am I gonna wrap it? Not the best in wrapping burrito, but that's how I wrap it. Focus. Look at that, my baby. So now you just eat it from the top here. I already know it will be good because I've been making this for like 4 or 5 years now. It's not that hard to eat. But if you're a messy person, then wear dark colored clothes. Don't wear white or beige. Anyway, you don't really want to watch me eat, right? Talking with my mouth full, oh my god. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like if you think you might try this recipe, or maybe not. Anyway, good luck and don't fuck it up. See you in the next one. Bye! Doesn't that look good?